All right, let's do some serious rail fanning, shall we? We're here in St. Paul, 9th day of March. There's a little park over here too as well. You can walk on. It's a whole nother video. So, let's walk on down here. Kind of a rail line that's pretty Mr. Popularity. Goes across 694. It's a two-railer. 9th day of March 2024. So heck, here's another one right over here you can walk across. Check it out. Little rail fanning here, St. Paul. Yeah, one of those wing things. Didn't see any. You did see that one when I was rail fanning over there in Minneapolis. Train came by, but nothing here. So it looks like this is in Shoreview, Minnesota. Is where I'm out here, walking along here. So they have like a little pedestrian bridge over there as well. You go across and check things out, and there's a park back in there. So they got it fenced off, but people like myself know how to get around those fences and break the law and trespass on railroad tracks. Gonna go across there. It kind of goes over there too as well, kind of circles around. The railroad track does. Another railroad track over there. Canadian Pacific, no trespassing. They're pretty big around. They're big rail facilities over there in St. Paul. So no train yet. You see the other one over there. $6.94. Yeah, sometimes you just gotta get out of the house and do some rail fanning, walk across and look for trains. Maybe one comes along. If not, see this one now. This one goes all the way over here. This one over here, this other track does. It circles around and goes over there. This one keeps going straight. Kind of a circle jerk, if you want to call it that thing. So I've seen trains when they come over here. You don't see a lot of dual tracks here in Minnesota anymore. You just don't. Because this one will go a circles across the highway again. That just keeps going this way, so we'll look at these things. I don't know, this is anything like this before. Kind of a skullduggery. All kinds of different, I've never seen those before. Usually it's a straight down spike. So I've seen sometimes the train is real long, it's going across both bridges like a circle. So yeah, it's just a beautiful day. Yeah, if my dad saw me on the railroad track right now, he'd be like, "What are you doing out there? God damn it." Two ladies, I talked to 3 girls, they said they were following that across the thing, and all kinds of walking areas back in there. Hell yeah. There's some stuff down there, whatever's down there. And once in a while, go for a walk on railroad tracks. I've never seen those before like that. You guys have seen the light rail, those cement ones. There's a bunch of stuff down there too as well. Bunch of crap down there. Who knows? Down there, but no. All kinds of metal along here they could be picking up. Yeah, they'll be using both bridges at the same time. It's a long ass train. It looks like also another train goes that way too as well, so it's kind of like a full circle as they come in from the west, and some go that way. I wonder if this used to be a switch yard a long time ago. I wonder if it was. Might have been a switch yard. Who knows? Go to the whole circle. So yeah, this might have been a yard. Yep. You kind of see down there, switch yard down there. Probably was a big yard way back when. Probably bring trains in here and switch them. Hang out, pull them out, back them down, drop them off. Yeah, it's we build a whole circle. Well, yeah, you can see I was all the way over there. 694. So all right, we made it. All the way over the other side. But anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed a little rail fanning Shoreview. Talk to you guys on the next one. Thank you very much.